welcome to the channel. Are we gonna take a moment to freaking celebrate the fact that I'm freaking glowing? Eat that! Right, hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope that everybody is doing well. Hey, what you doing? Let us show. Look at this. So Lola wants to shoot with me today. Don't know why. Why do you want to say hi? Want to say hi? Yeah, don't lick me. But anyway, this is my dog. Sorry, isn't she cute? Don't look ugly. You're supposed to look cute. What's wrong with you? Okay. Anyway, this is Lola, my lover. Okay, let me shoot. Okay, then we can go play. Yeah. Okay. So I am going to be sharing with you guys my full night routine. Actually, not my full night routine, my full skincare routine, including removing makeup and masking and all that kind of stuff. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so if my dog barks, just know she's very upset with me. I had to like move her because she wants attention and I want to focus. Okay. Okay, let's get right into it. So the first thing you're gonna do is you are going to use a micellar water to remove your makeup. Some people like to use oil, like a oil, what do they call it, like these? They like to use a oil solution. Well they, yeah, a cleansing balm or something like that. I don't know what they call these things, but anyway, this is the first step. Okay, so I look crazy. I know I look crazy, but the second thing you're gonna use is a cleanser. I use a gentle cleanser because the rest of my other washing products are kind of harsh because they have AHAs and BHAs. Then you're going to be using, I use the Rainbow's Detox Gel Cleanser. So what you do is you just kind of, I'm going to wash my face and then I'm going to immediately follow with this Neutrogena Visibly Clear Spot Proofing Daily Wash. And the reason why I love this product is because it contains salicylic acid. So salicylic acid is responsible for breaking down any debris on your face and also kind of playing an active role in lightening any dark spots and preventing further spotting or prevention of pimples, blemishes, whatever it is that you want to call them. So I'm going to quickly wash and then I'll be back. Okay, so I just washed with the two products I just showed you guys, and the next thing I am going to do is I actually do not mind letting my skin air dry because I do not like, if you see me look here, I'm just looking at my mirror, don't worry. Just looking at my mirror. I don't like using any towels on my face because I don't mind air drying. I really don't mind air drying. Okay, cool. Then the next step would be super optional, so I'm just going into my bag. Using a toner. It is not crucial, but if maybe you have used a makeup remover that's a bit too harsh on your skin, but they don't normally make them, or a cleanser that's too harsh on your skin, but I already said that I don't think they actually make them to be as harsh as they used to. Cleansers are supposed to be gentle. However, because I did use on makeup, I am going to actually focus the toner on my eyes specifically because maybe I could still have maybe eyeliner or whatever eyeshadow left, I don't know. For now, I'm going to use the Skin Strategy face and mask. So the cool thing about this, let me show you. Ta-da! And then it has all this details and information of what the mask contains and all the kind of stuff. You get 6 sheets if I'm not mistaken, and I can't remember for how much I bought this, but I know it was below 200 ZAR. So I am going to be taking one sheet over here. Love this brand. I absolutely love the packaging and the brand in total. Okay, so this has two parts, right? So here is the serum that I've been trying to open up, and in here is the sheet mask. Okay, you can tell it is just full of goodness and love it. Okay. Alright, so I removed my mask, and after you remove your mask, you're supposed to rinse your face with warm water, and this is how my skin looks like. So I'm gonna follow with their I'm gonna add the serum because I cannot get over my skin right now. It looks so good. Okay, we're gonna take some of this serum, and okay, I might have put a lot, but so the cool thing about this serum is that it actually leaves your skin super soft and plump, like very soft and bouncy and elastic like. But it does claim to have, okay, actually let me read it for you.
Boosts collagen production, promotes cell renewal, helps fight signs of aging, enriched with active anti-aging complex.
Get with the program, ma'am. Get yourself a freaking mask that has a serum. Like, come on. Okay, I'm just literally continuing to massaging it in so that it can dry off. And then once it's dry, you are actually ready to continue with the rest of your night routine. That is it, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and this is for a specific person. This whole skin routine was intended for a person that actually inboxed me and asked me if I could record a full skincare routine. So we went to school together, but now you have left the country. So if you know who you are, leave a comment down and I'll give you a thumbs up. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. And it has come to my attention that a couple of you guys are viewing but you're not subscribing. We are trying to get to 100 subscribers. Can you find it in your heart in this heavy month of January? We all know it's tough in January. Can you please find it in your heart to subscribe to the channel, because you already like the content, so can we just, okay, so bye. I'll see you guys in my next one.